Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. This video is in continuation of an earlier small PDF Chrome extension video. The link is above. If you have not watched that, please watch it and come back to it. Otherwise, it will be a little difficult for you to understand things. In the earlier video, I have shown like installing the particular extension as well as converting PDF to formats like Word, Excel, and images. So the first feature which I will show you in part 2 is compressing a PDF. We often need to reduce the size of PDF files. So for that, I have opened up this particular PDF and I'll show you how to do compression. So after clicking or opening the file, this small PDF tools panel should come up, and here you have to click on compress. After pressing on compress, this will take you to the smallpdf.com integration. So here there are two compression methods. One is basic and the second one is strong. So the strong is a pro feature, and you have to pay for it. But I think so basic will suffice for most use cases. So now you can see that it has been successfully able to reduce the size of the PDF. So let us download the new file and let us go to our Windows Explorer and check what was the difference in the file sizes. So as you can see, there has been a noticeable reduction in the size of the file. The next feature which I will show you with the same file is deleting certain pages in the PDF. And this is a pretty widely used use case. So for that, click on More Tools from the panel. After that, you can find Delete Pages. So now it is showing you all the pages which are there in the PDF. Now let us say I want to delete the last two pages. So I have just to click on this delete icon and click on finish, and then download the file. So now you can see here also that it is showing 30 pages. So the number of pages has reduced. So let's see the new file in action. So this one is the file. As you can see that pages dash deleted suffix has been added. And if you can see here, there are 30 pages in the file and the last page is absent. The next feature is called merge, where you can merge two PDFs into one single file. For that, you have to click on this merge icon up here in the small PDF tools panel. After clicking, this will take you to the smallpdf.com website. Now it is saying you to add the second file. Okay, so let's do that. I'm adding the hello file up here. It just contains one page with hello written. So here you can see that file, and I will click on finish. So let's download it. So here the suffix is coming as merged. So if you open it, and if you go to the last page, you can see that the second PDF has been successfully appended to the first PDF. The next feature is splitting the file. So for that, let's say you have a file of 32 pages and you want to split it into two files of 16 each. So how to do that? Click on More Tools. After that, scroll a bit down and you can see Split. Now it is basically asking you from where you want to split the file. So let's say arbitrarily I'm taking this has 32 pages, so let's split it exactly halfway at 16. So the split is there. You can obviously do more splits. So actually let us do that. Let's split it into three actually. So now the total number of PDFs which will be generated after the split is 3. You have to click it. And now you can see the 3 different PDFs have come up. You can download them individually, or you can download them in a composite manner in a zip. So let's do the zip version. So if you go into the zip, you can see the 3 files. Let's check if it is successful. Yes, the first one is 16 pages and the last one should be like 7 pages. Yeah, so it's working correctly. So that's it in part 2 of this video. There is one more part 3, where we explore protecting, unprotecting PDF, as well as things like rotation, AI summarization, etc. So if you have any questions regarding small PDF, just write it into the comment section. I will make sure to answer it. And please like, share, and subscribe the video. That is very important. And I will meet you soon with a new video. Thank you.